Login loop error on Zogo Fix. If you're trying to log into your Zogo account but keep getting sent back to the login screen, you've hit what's known as the login loop. It's frustrating. You enter your info, hit sign in, and suddenly, nothing happens. But don't worry, most people get this wrong, but here's why it happens, and how to fix it fast. This loop usually isn't caused by your password. Instead, it's the app holding onto outdated or corrupted data that prevents proper authentication. Here's what to do. First, completely close the Zogo app, not just minimize it. Swipe it away from your recent apps list. Then reopen it and try logging in again. If that doesn't solve it, clear your cache. On Android, go to Settings, tap Apps, select Zogo and choose Clear Cache. On iPhone, you'll need to delete the Zogo app entirely, then reinstall it from the App Store. This resets all session data. Next, check for updates. Go to the Play Store or App Store and make sure you're running the latest version of Zogo. Login systems update frequently, and older versions can't always communicate with the new security servers. If you're using Zogo in a browser, clear cookies and cache for that site. Expired cookies often trigger lock-in loops by confusing your saved session. Still having trouble? Try switching your connection. Use mobile data instead of Wi-Fi or vice versa. Some network restrictions or VPNs interfere with secure logins. Also, disable any password manager or autofill features during the login attempt. These tools sometimes inject incorrect data or refresh the page mid-login. After completing these steps, restart your phone or browser and try signing in again. In most cases, the loop disappears and your Zogo account opens normally. So, the next time your Zogo app seems stuck, remember it's not you, and it's not your password. It's just cached data or a small sync glitch. Clear it, refresh it, and you'll be back to earning rewards and learning about money in no time.